Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to come up with another makeup tutorial, but I wanted to come up with something more sexy, grown. So I decided to go in with this black smoky eye. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Guys, I've been feeling super sick, so that's why I'm drinking a tea. But first off, we're gonna go in with our Painterly paint pot and with our MAC brush. And I'm going to be using the Painterly paint pot all over the eye like usual. You know how much I love this product. For this video, I decided to go in with my BH palette, and I feel like I don't get to use this palette a lot, so that's why I wanted to bring it back. And I feel like it's super pigmented and also so affordable, but I just went in with that brown shade that you saw there, and I'm going to be blending that all over the eye. Back to the palette, and I'm gonna be grabbing a darker brown, but I'm gonna be focusing this more on the outer B of our eye and blending that in. And just pretty much just blend away. So one more time, we're going to go back to the palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the black eyeshadow. And this is where it gets kind of tricky, guys. You just want to put a little bit and blend that out, and then add a little bit more once you feel more comfortable. But the thing is, you have to put a little bit and a little bit, and then you could add a lot just once you have everything blended out. So pretty much here I just went back to the palette and grabbed more of the black eyeshadow and just kept adding a little bit more little by little. But you could tell here that I have to go back and just blend away. So here I'm just going to clean a little bit with a makeup remover wipe. So I'm going back to the palette, and I'm going to be grabbing those two brown shadows, and I'm going to be blending that in with the dark shadows that I have in my eyes, and just make sure there's no patchiness or there's nothing going on. So we're going to be grabbing that goldish brownsy color, and we're going to be placing that pretty much in the lid of our eyes. I didn't want to add too much of this because I wanted the black to be the center of the look. And one more time, we're going to be blending that all together. I'm going to be grabbing the white eyeshadow and placing that under the eyebrow just to kind of clean up that area. So I'm going to grab the black eyeshadow one more time, and I'm going to be focusing this more on the outer B just to get it a little bit darker. So here I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk and my Anastasia brush and just pretty much fill in my eyebrows. So I'm not going to be putting any eyeliner on, but I am going to go in with mascara. And then I'm going to be applying my lashes. I'm going to go in with Eyelure lashes, and this one is in size 202. So we all know this step. I'm just applying some glue to the lash. This is pretty much the look. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be applying foundation and powder, and I'll be back to show you how the final look looks like. So I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and I usually don't like to wear black eyeliner, but for this time I will, just because I want my eyes to look extra smoky. So I'm just gonna go here and put in my waterline. And this is really creamy. I got this, I believe, for, it was like a Sephora birthday thing, but it's really nice. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild brush and just dip it in that black that we use. Just any black that you have in front of you, and I'm just gonna smoke it out.
Changes.
So that's pretty much the look. I wanted to make it a girl sexy type of vibe. But yeah, I still don't know what lip color. I kind of want to leave it a little bit lighter, but I also want to go in with the red. I'm still not sure, but this is the final look, guys. Hopefully you enjoy, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Life.